Hey there, gorgeous. Have you ever woken up feeling fresh, glanced in the mirror, and noticed those stubborn dark circles staring back at you and feel your confidence take a hit? Or perhaps you've tried everything from expensive creams to countless home remedies, but those stubborn dark circles just won't budge? If this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Because today, we're not just talking about the problem. We're diving deep into the causes and, more importantly, the best natural ways to get rid of those pesky dark circles for good. Stick around, because you're about to discover some life-changing tips. First, let's understand what really causes dark circles. Insufficient sleep can lead the blood vessel under your eyes become more dilate and become more visible. This can lead to dark circles, genetics. If your parents have dark circles, chances are you might too. This is because the skin under your eyes can be naturally thinner and more prone to showing blood vessels causing dark circles. Aging, as we age, our skin loses collagen and thins out, making the blood vessels under our eyes more visible, which can create the appearance of dark circles. Dehydration. When your body is dehydrated, the skin beneath your eyes can appear dull and sunken, often creating shadows and making the eyes look darker. Allergies can cause your body to release histamines, which can lead to itchiness, redness, and swelling. Rubbing or scratching the eyes can further irritate the skin and cause blood vessels to break, resulting in dark shadows. Sun exposure. Excessive exposure to the sun can cause your body to produce more melanin, the pigment that gives your skin its color. Overproduction of melanin around the eyes can lead to dark circles. Poor diet, a lack of essential nutrients like iron and vitamins can cause anemia, which results in poor oxygenation of the blood. This can make the skin under your eyes appear darker. Stress and fatigue. It can cause your skin to become pale and dull, which makes the blood vessels beneath your skin more noticeable. Now let's explore some of the best natural remedies. These remedies are not only effective, but also super gentle on your skin. First up, our star ingredient, cucumber. Known for its cooling and soothing properties, cucumber slices can help reduce puffiness and lighten dark circles. Simply place chilled cucumber slices over your eyes for 10-15 minutes daily. Next, we have the miracle worker potato. It contains natural bleaching agents and anti-inflammatory properties. Grate a raw potato, extract the juice, and apply it with a cotton ball around your eyes. Leave it on for 10 minutes and rinse off with cool water. Another fantastic remedy is using cold milk. It contains lactic acid, which helps to lighten the skin. Soak 2 cotton pads in cold milk and place them over your eyes for 15 minutes. This will not only reduce dark circles, but also hydrate the delicate skin around your eyes. Don't forget the power of tea bags. Both green and black tea contain caffeine and antioxidants that help shrink blood vessels and reduce fluid retention. After steeping, refrigerate the tea bags for a few minutes and place them over your eyes for 10-15 minutes. Now let's talk about ingredients you should look for in skincare products to combat dark circles. Hyaluronic acid is a must-have for hydration, while vitamin C is great for brightening and evening out skin tone. Look for products with these ingredients for best results. Another crucial ingredient is retinol, which boosts collagen production, thickening the skin and reducing the appearance of dark circles. Peptides are also fantastic for strengthening the skin and reducing the appearance of dark circles. And let's not forget the importance of sun protection. The delicate skin under your eyes needs protection from harmful UV rays to prevent further darkening. Use a sunscreen specifically formulated for the face, with at least SPF 30 daily, and consider using an eye cream with SPF for added protection. You should also consider wearing sunglasses to shield your eyes from direct sunlight. This would also elevate your look. Fruits are also your best friends when it comes to skin health. Fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwis are rich in vitamin C, help in collagen production, making your skin firm and bright. Avocados packed with vitamin E provide essential moisture, and blueberries loaded with antioxidants protect your skin from damage. Eat hydrating foods like watermelon and cucumber. Lastly, let's talk about lifestyle changes. Getting a good night's sleep, drinking plenty of water, and maintaining a balanced diet can work wonders for your skin. Managing stress. We all know that life can be a roller coaster ride, but excessive stress can weaken your skin. So take a deep breath. Find ways to relax and unwind, whether It's through yoga, meditation, or binge watching your favorite Netflix show in moderation. Of course, eye protection. Use blue light glasses or reduce screen time to avoid eye strain, which can contribute to dark circles. Remember, healthy habits lead to glowing skin. So there you have it, folks. Simple, effective, and natural ways to say goodbye to dark circles and puffiness. Remember, consistency is key. Try these remedies and tips regularly, and you'll see a noticeable difference in no time. Remember, this is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more self-care tips. Drop a comment below, sharing your favorite remedy, and let's brighten our days together. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care.